How to set alarms on the Garmin Forerunner 55. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 55 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily set up and use alarms on your Garmin Forerunner 55. So if you want to use your Garmin Forerunner 55 to set alarms so you can wake up, or for any other reason on your watch, by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to use them. And before we get started, if this video helps you, consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel Gauging Gadgets because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with setting up and using alarms on the Garmin Forerunner 55, we need to open up the menu, and we do that by simply holding the up button for a second or two until the menu opens, and then go down and select alarm clock with starter stop. Once we get in here, if you don't already have any alarms, you can add one by selecting the starter stop button, and then first we configure when this alarm will go off. I'm just going to have it go off right now so you can see an example of what the alarm looks like. After that, we can select AM or PM. And then now we can confirm the alarm by selecting that little check mark. So now we have our alarm set up. We can then go in, you can select into it and turn it on or off, change the time, configure when it will repeat. So either once, daily, weekdays, weekends, or custom, where you can select any day of the week for it to be actually turned on. And additionally, we can go in here and configure if it'll make a tone and vibrate, or just tone or vibrate, or nothing. So it just comes up on your watch face. After that, so that's a quick example of what the alarm looks like. And this is currently making a tone and vibrating. We can snooze it for 10 minutes by hitting the down button, or you can close out of it and cancel it by hitting the start or stop button. Additionally, after sounds and tones here, we can also configure if the backlight will be turned on the watch. So just another thing that could help you notice the alarm actually going off. After that, you can also set up a label for the actual alarm just to let you know what to do. Maybe if you have something for an appointment or training, something like that. You have all these different labels that you can use to help you distinguish what that alarm means. Finally, if we want to delete the alarm, we can go all the way to the bottom and select delete. All right, so that's how you set up and use alarms on the Garmin Forerunner 55. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 55 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.